Welcome to the Arts District of downtown Dallas, Texas. As we take a stroll through the city streets, you can't help but be captivated by the twinkling lights that illuminate the night sky. Welcome to Travel with the Hales. As you wander through the bustling city, you feel the energy and excitement that pulses through the heart of Dallas. So come along with us as we explore the beauty of downtown Dallas, where the lights and architecture combine to create a truly mesmerizing experience. The Arts District is a great place to walk around at night. You can create your own self-guided walk in Dallas with one of the many apps on your phone. One of them is called GPSmyCity. I'll put the link in the description below. We found it safe to walk around. It is a big city with big city things, so just be aware of your surroundings, and I never felt uncomfortable or unsafe. The artist Joseph Hale has the master talent of transforming the domestic and dull into poetic and timeless. Headquarters for the Dallas Bar Association. The Arts District spreads over 20 square blocks and has award-winning museums and features art for all the senses. The Chase Tower was completed in 1987. It's known for its unique architecture, which includes a curved glass top and a 7-story hole in the center of the building near the top. This cathedral has been the seat of the city's Catholic bishop since 1902. The Gothic architecture provides a stunning contrast to the modern office towers. This is a working church with a regular service and mass schedule. For a peaceful break from the hustle and the bustle of the city, step inside. Thank you for watching our journey through the Art District of downtown Dallas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures.